The market for controls personnel is significant across various industries, including manufacturing, process control, and energy. The increasing sophistication of automation and control systems drives a growing demand for qualified individuals. While many factories employ their own controls personnel, there is also a substantial demand for contractors and consultants specializing in this field. Contractors provide specialized services on a project basis, offering expertise in areas where internal staff may lack specific skills or experience. Consultants, on the other hand, offer broader expertise and guidance on system design, implementation, and maintenance. To effectively market your skills as a controls professional, consider the following strategies. Firstly, emphasize your experience with specific control platforms and technologies. Mention your proficiency with Allen Bradley, Modican, Cutler Hammer, and Square D, as these are widely recognized and respected in the industry. Detail your experience with programming, troubleshooting, and maintaining these systems. Secondly, showcase your schooling by mentioning any coursework or certifications you have obtained in controls engineering or related fields. Certifications from recognized institutions or vendors can significantly enhance your credibility and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. Thirdly, network by attending industry events, conferences, and meetups to connect with potential clients and employers. Networking provides opportunities to learn about new technologies, industry trends, and job openings. Fourthly, create a portfolio to showcase your skills and projects. Include examples of successful control system implementations, detailing the challenges you faced and the solutions you provided. A well-crafted portfolio can effectively demonstrate your abilities and experience to potential clients. Fifthly, build an online presence by creating a website or LinkedIn profile that highlights your expertise and experience. An online presence allows you to reach a wider audience and establish yourself as a knowledgeable and reliable professional. Sixthly, target specific industries where control systems are prevalent. Focus on industries such as manufacturing, energy, pharmaceuticals, and food processing, where there is a high demand for controls expertise. Seventhly, offer specialized services such as system design, implementation, troubleshooting, and training to demonstrate your value. By offering a range of services, you can cater to a wider range of client needs and increase your marketability. Eighthly, partner with original equipment manufacturers (OEM) to offer complementary services or integrate your expertise into their offerings. Collaborating with OEM can provide access to new clients and projects and enhance your reputation in the industry. Ninthly, consider niche markets that require specialized controls knowledge. Explore areas such as robotics, motion control, or supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) systems, where there is a demand for specialized expertise. Tenthly, market to contractors by reaching out to engineering and contracting firms that provide control services to clients. These firms often require skilled controls personnel to supplement their existing staff on a project basis. When highlighting your experience, be specific about the types of projects you have worked on and the results you have achieved. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible to demonstrate the value you have provided to previous clients. For example, mention how you improved system efficiency, reduced downtime, or optimized production processes. When discussing your schooling, highlight any relevant coursework or certifications that align with the needs of potential clients. For example, if you have a certification in programmable logic controller, PLC programming, or human-machine interface (HMI) design, be sure to mention it. Networking is essential for building relationships and generating leads. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in online forums to connect with potential clients and learn about new opportunities. Creating a portfolio is a great way to showcase your skills and projects. Include examples of your work, such as system diagrams, code snippets, and project descriptions. Your portfolio should demonstrate your ability to design, implement, and troubleshoot control systems. Building an online presence is also crucial for reaching a wider audience and establishing yourself as a knowledgeable professional. Create a website or LinkedIn profile that highlights your experience, skills, and accomplishments. Share your expertise by writing blog posts, creating videos, or participating in online discussions. Targeting specific industries can help you focus your marketing efforts and reach the clients who are most likely to need your services. Research the industries that are growing and have a high demand for controls expertise. Offer specialized services to differentiate yourself from the competition. Focus on areas where you have unique skills or experience, such as system integration, cybersecurity, or data analytics. Partnering with OEM can provide access to new clients and projects. Contact OEM in your area and offer to provide complementary services such as system integration or training. Considering niche markets can also help you find opportunities where there is less competition. Explore areas such as robotics, motion control, or SCADA systems, where there is a demand for specialized expertise. Marketing to contractors is a great way to find short-term or project-based work. Contact engineering and contracting firms in your area and offer to provide controls services on a contract basis. Remember to tailor your marketing efforts to the specific needs of your target audience. Highlight the skills and experience that are most relevant to their needs and demonstrate how you can help them achieve their goals. By following these strategies, you can effectively market your skills as a controls professional and find rewarding opportunities in this growing field. Automation systems continue to become more sophisticated, creating a strong demand for individuals skilled in control systems. Consider also focusing on specific types of control systems, such as distributed control systems, DCS, or programmable automation controllers, PAC. Knowledge of industrial communication protocols like Ethernet IP, Profibus, and Modbus TCP is also valuable. Familiarity with safety instrumented systems, SIS, and safety PLC is increasingly important in many industries. Expertise in specific software platforms like Siemens TIA Portal, Rockwell Automation Studio 5000, or Wonderware System Platform can also set you apart. Continuously updating your skills and knowledge is essential for staying competitive in the controls industry. Attend training courses, read industry publications, and participate in online forums to stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends. Consider pursuing certifications such as Certified Automation Professional, CAP, or Certified Control Systems Technician, CCSD, to demonstrate your expertise. Strong problem-solving skills are essential for success in the controls field. Be prepared to troubleshoot complex systems and develop creative solutions to challenging problems. Effective communication skills are also important for working with clients and colleagues. Be able to explain technical concepts clearly and concisely and to listen to and understand the needs of others. Finally, remember that building a strong reputation is crucial for long-term success. Provide excellent service to your clients, be reliable and responsive, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Word-of-mouth referrals are often the best source of new business. By following these tips, you can establish yourself as a successful and respected controls professional. In addition to the technical skills, consider developing project management skills. Many controls projects require careful planning, execution, and monitoring. Being able to manage projects effectively can increase your value to clients and employers. Also, consider developing your skills in areas such as data analytics and machine learning. These technologies are becoming increasingly important in the controls industry, as companies seek to optimize their operations and improve their decision-making. Familiarize yourself with industry standards and regulations such as the National Electrical Code (NEC) and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) requirements. Adhering to these standards and regulations is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of control systems. Another area to consider is energy management. As companies become more focused on sustainability, there is a growing demand for controls professionals who can help them optimize their energy consumption. Finally, remember that the controls industry is constantly evolving. Be prepared to adapt to new technologies and trends and to continuously learn and improve your skills. By staying up to date and embracing new challenges, you can have a long and successful career in the controls field. Understanding the electrical aspects of control systems is also very crucial, understanding the wiring standards and the applicable NEC tables. Knowing how to properly size conductors and overcurrent protection for motors and other equipment is essential for safe and reliable operation. For example, NEC Table 430.52 provides guidance on selecting the appropriate overcurrent protection for motors. NEC Table 310.15, formerly 310.16, provides ampacity ratings for conductors. Additionally, understanding control panel design and layout is important. This includes knowledge of component selection, wiring techniques, and enclosure requirements. Proper grounding and bonding practices are also essential for ensuring electrical safety and preventing electromagnetic interference. Understanding the principles of three-phase power is also crucial, as many industrial control systems operate on three-phase power. This includes understanding voltage and current relationships in three-phase circuits, as well as the different types of three-phase connections, such as Y and delta. Knowledge of motor control circuits is also essential. This includes understanding the different types of motor starters, such as across-the-line starters, reduced voltage starters, and variable frequency drives, and their applications. Being able to troubleshoot electrical problems in control systems is also a valuable skill. This includes using multimeters, oscilloscopes, and other test equipment to diagnose faults and identify the root cause of problems. Familiarity with electrical safety practices and procedures is also essential for working safely with control systems. This includes understanding lockout/tagout procedures, personal protective equipment (PPE) requirements, and arc flash hazards. Furthermore, a strong understanding of instrumentation is vital. This encompasses knowledge of various types of sensors, transmitters, and actuators used in control systems. Common sensors include temperature sensors, pressure sensors, flow sensors, and level sensors. Transmitters convert the sensor signals into a format that can be transmitted to the control system. Actuators are devices that are used to control process variables, such as valves, pumps, and motors. Understanding the principles of process control is also essential. This includes understanding concepts such as feedback control, feed-forward control, and cascade control. Being able to tune control loops to optimize system performance is also a valuable skill. The process of properly setting up these loops involves taking process measurements and making adjustments to proportional integral derivative PID settings to achieve desired performance. Effective documentation is also crucial for maintaining and troubleshooting control systems. This includes creating accurate drawings, wiring diagrams, and software documentation. Proper documentation makes it easier to understand how the system works and to troubleshoot problems when they arise. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with control systems. Follow all applicable safety procedures and use appropriate personal protective equipment. By continuously learning and developing your skills, you can become a highly valued controls professional. There is a substantial need for individuals who possess a deep understanding of control systems and who are committed to providing excellent service to their clients. Consider focusing on specific industries or applications to differentiate yourself from the competition. For example, you might specialize in control systems for water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, or renewable energy systems. By becoming an expert in a particular niche, you can attract clients who are looking for specialized expertise. Also, consider offering training services to your clients. Many companies lack the internal expertise to maintain and troubleshoot their control systems. By providing training, you can help them become more self-sufficient and reduce their reliance on external consultants. In addition to technical skills, remember to develop your business skills. This includes skills such as marketing, sales, and customer service. Being able to effectively market your services and build strong relationships with your clients is essential for long-term success.